trigonometric functions and also you can see trigonometry ratio. Okay, so I already uploaded some videos regarding this, so you can see description box, you will get that link. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some those questions in which that one of the trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio is given. Okay, and how to find the rest of the 5. Okay, so that is the topic of the questions. Okay, means one TF is given and you will have to find rest of the TF. Okay, तो आपको यहाँ पे एक TF दिया हुआ रहेगा, one TF is already given, and as you know that there are 6 TF. If you have one TF, then you should find rest of the TF, means 5 TF. Okay, so first of all I am going to solve some questions. Okay, so suppose one TF is given, the topic is what? The one TF is given, means case we can say here case number 1, that is the level number 1. Okay, TF is given. Okay, or TR is given, TF is given. So case number, this is that case TF is given, one TF. Okay, suppose here question number 1, if sin A equals to 2 by 3. Okay, this is the question. Sin A equals to 2 by 3. Find the angle of, find the values of the other TF, other trigonometric ratios. Okay, this is the question you need to find here. So students, we are going to solve that questions. Okay, so you can see sin A is given, angle sin A is given. So we can first of all we can write here, we will have to find all of the angles. Okay, all of the trigonometric ratios with respect to these acute angles. Okay, so first of all we can write here, we have sin A equals to P by H. Okay, sin A equals to P by H, and here is the 2, here is the 3. So let K be any positive integer. Okay, so here we will get here P equals to what? 2K. Okay, and H equals to what? H equals to 3K. So after that we can apply the formula P square equal to H square plus B square. So as we know that H square equals to what? P square plus B square. We need to find here what? B. So we can process here, B square equals to what? H square minus P square. The value of H is what? 3K square. 3K square minus 2K square. Okay, 3K square minus 2K square. So here is the P, here is the 9K square minus 4K square. So here B square equals to what? 9K minus 4K square, that is the 5K square. So B equals to K root under 5. This is the value of B, and after that we can put here cos theta, that is the B by H. The value of B is K root 5. The value of B is K root 5, and the value of H is what? You can see the value of H equals to 3K. So K will be cancelled. So we will get here root under 5 by root under 3. Okay, and cos theta, that is the sec theta, that is the H by B equals to 3K by K root 5. Okay, K root 5. Here is the 3 and here is the root 5. So we can write here K will be cancelled, and after that sin theta, cos theta, and the cosec theta. Cosec theta, that is the H by P. H by P means you can see h by p means 3k by 2k, that is the 3 by 2. Next thing, that is the tan theta. Tan theta equals to p by b. So p, that is the p equals to 2k, and b equals to what? B equals to, you can see k root 5. K root 5, k will be cancelled. So 2 by root under 5. Yes. Then next thing, that is the cot theta. So cot theta equals to what? You can see v by p. So it will reverse root under 5 by 2. So that is the answer of the questions. Okay. That is the answer of the questions. Okay. You will have to find all of the things. Okay. Whatever the question is given. Okay. Question is given. So next thing, that is the, suppose question number 2. Okay. I am going to discuss question number 2. So this is the question number 2. Question number 2 is, this is the question number 2. If cos A equals to 4 by 5. Okay, this is the given. Cos A equals to 4 by 5. Find the values of all the other trigonometric ratios. आपको क्या करना है इसमें, और जितने भी trigonometric ratios को find करना है. Okay, one of the trigonometric ratio is given. You need to find 5 trigonometric ratio. Okay, so first of all, we are going to solve that question. Suppose here is cos A equals to 4 by 5. Cos A equals to 4 by 5, and here is b by h. Let k be any positive integer. So b equals to what? B equals to 5k and h equals to b equals to 4k and h equals to 5k. So p equals to, as we know that the formula, h square equals to p square plus b square. So value of p square equals to, we need to find here, value of p square equals to h square minus b square. So value of p square you will get here. The h is 5k square and the value of b is 4k. So after the multiplying, you will get the value of p. Suppose here is the 25k square and here is the 16k square. So p equals to 16 means here is the 9k square. So 9k means k root 3k. Okay, 9k means 3k. So after that you can put here sin A. Sin A equals to p by h. So p, the value of p, that is the 3k, and h is 5k. So here is the 3 by 5, and next thing, that is the cosec A, that is the h by p. So here you will get here 5 by 3. Okay, next is sec A equals to what? Sec A, that is the h by b. H by b means 5k by 4k. Okay, so after that you will get 5 by 4 sin cos 10 equals to p by b. P by b means p, you can see here p, the value of p equals to 3k, and b equals to what? B equals to 4k. So 4k will be cancelled here, so 3 by 4 here, and cot A, yes, to b by p. So here is the 4 by 3. Okay, so this is the questions. You can do it like this process. Okay, so suppose here if any of the TF is given, then you can find all of the TF. Okay, suppose question number 3. Here is the question number 3. That is the, if tan A equals to 1. Okay, one of the things is given. You need to find here all of the, if tan A equals to 1. So if you need to find all of the trigonometric functions. Okay, so you can process that. You can process that questions. Okay, you will get the answers. Suppose if tan A equals to, suppose if tan A equals to what? Tan A equals to 1 by 1. We can write here. So this is the P, this is the B. So let K be any positive integer. So P equals to 1k and B equals to 1k. So H square equals to, as you know that H square equals to P square plus B square. So we can write here 1k square plus 1k square. So you will get here H square equals to 1k square plus 1k square, that is the 2k square. Okay, so 2k square. So H equals to k root 2. So this is the value of k. So you can go through the value sin A. So sin A, that is the P by H. P by H means you can see the value of P. P, that is the 1k and H is what? K root 2. So you will get here 1 by root 2. Okay. So cos A k equals to what? H by P. So you will get here k root 2 by 1k. That is the root 2 sin cos tan. Tan A, that is already given 1 by 1. So you will have to find cot A. So cot A, that is the 1 by 1. B by P, that is the 1k, means 1k equals to 1. Sin cos tan, that is the cos A. Cos A equals to B by H. So B equals to what? B you can see 1k and H is k root 2. H is k root 2. So you will get here 1 by root 2, and next is sec A, that is the H by B. So you will get here root under 2 by 1. Okay, so this is the question, students. Okay, so I solved 3 questions from R.D. Sharma. Okay, all the questions are belongs to the R.D. Sharma, the level number 1 exercise 10.1. Okay, so you should solve some of the questions. Just I am going to give you as a homework. Okay, so please try to find here. Suppose tan theta equals to question number 3rd. I solved 3 questions. So I am going to give some questions. Tan theta equals to 11. You need to find here some, and next tan theta is 11. Next sin theta equals to 11 by 15. Next thing, that is the tan theta equals to 5 by 12. Next, 4th, sin theta, that is the root under 3 by 2. 5th, next is cos theta, that is the 7 by 25. And next, 6th, that is the tan theta, 8 by 15. And next cot theta, that is the 12 by 5. Next sec theta, 13 by 5. And next thing, that is the cosec theta, root under 10. And next cos theta equals to 12 by 15. Okay, students, so you need to find the value of rest of the trigonometric function, that is already given. You can see here tan theta is given, so you will have to find rest of the TF. And sin theta is given, you will have to find rest of the TF except sin theta. And tan theta is given, means you will have to find rest of the things except tan theta. Okay, because tan theta is already given. So you should solve that question. Here is the 6, here is the 7, here is the 7, here is the 8, here is the 9, and here is the 10. So you have 10 questions to solve. Okay, so if you have the R.D. Sharma, so you should go through the exercise 10.1, question number 1, level number 1, that is the questions we will give. Okay, so students, next class I will discuss the question number 2 3 means more after the question.